James back with 360 and back. In today's short iGuide tutorial, I'm going to go over iGuide tags and tag editors. If you're familiar with the iGuide knowledge base, you just type in iGuide tags and tag editor in the search bar. If you're not familiar with the iGuide knowledge base, I made a previous video on it before. Please check it out. Okay, so you have your iGuide, and there are certain items or certain things that you want to call out or call people's attention to. And one of the great ways to do that is using the iGuide tags to draw attention to it. And today we're just going to go over how to do that. So the first thing that you're going to want to do as soon as you log into your iGuide editor's account is just go over and select edit. Here on the far left-hand side, you'll see where it says tag editor. Go ahead and select this. And then you're going to be brought to this page here, the tag editor. So what you want to do is find an area that you want to add a tag to. So in our case, let's go over to this water heater. Let's say this is a brand new water heater and you want to call special attention that this is a brand new water heater and you want to show where, all the extra information. This could be with the lamp. This could be with, the granite countertops. This could be the marble floors. Just anything that you want it to be to call out. So when you're in this section, I generally like to look at the item itself. What you're going to do is select this blue create a tag button right here. So select that. And you're just going to double click on the area that you want to add the tag. So right here, I'm just going to select this image here. Then now places a little circle. Now there's a lot of things that we can do. And so let's go over each and every one of them. So the first thing that you want to do is hit the edit tag content button. And it's going to bring you here. So you can enter the tag title right here. So here we're just going to type in water heater. Okay. The tag content information will be right here. So we'll just type in new 40-gallon water heater, just like that. So, oops, space. Okay. So there's a couple of different options here, as you can already see. You have the bold option, where you can just select everything as bold, the italic, or the italic. You also have like a heading, so if you want this to be bigger, you can. So you just have a bunch of great little options there. So what we're going to do is just back this all the way up to the very top. Okay. If you have, say, like a big list, you can have an unordered one. You can have one that has, list names. If you want to add a quote, you can totally do that. So you can see we have a couple of extra icons here. This one is going to be a link to the URL. So say that you want to link this to where they can purchase this water heater or where this water heater came from. All you'll need to do is go to the website that this water heater is found on. So say, for instance, this is our water heater. You're just going to click on the URL, right click, copy, go back to here, to your iGuide, click on here, which is your link. Just select the bar so it's not in blue. And you're just going to do Control V. Then once you do that, you should see all the information here. Push OK. And now it's going to enter your link in here. What this is saying in blue is enter link description here. So all you would have to do is type in home teapot website. And there you go. So the next thing is your image. So say that you have an image in your gallery that you want to show about the water heater. You can do that by just clicking image. You do have a couple of different options. You can have insert image URL or choose from the iGuide gallery. So these are all the photos of the property, and we can just scroll all the way down I already have an image of the water heater. I'll go ahead and select that and insert gallery image. And then once I do that, this is where you will type in the image description. So again, you would put new 40-gallon, and then the image title right here. So the title would be hot water heater, and that's it. So at any point in time that you want to take a look to see how this will look in the tag, you can just hit quick preview. And it's going to say new 40-gallon water heater, Home Depot website. And here's a picture of your hot water heater. So we can go back to the content page because there's still a couple things we can do. Now, of course, all these are optional. So you don't have to add every single thing. You can just add one description if you would like to, but I'm just showing you all the options. The next option is adding a video to your tag. So all you would need to do is go to YouTube videos. You're going to select your hyperlink at the very top. So just click on the link, push Control C. You're going to go back to your iGuide. You go ahead and select the video button. You'll hit off of there so it's not blue again. Control V, which is Control Paste, and then push OK. And then once you do that, you'll see that it says videos highlighted. So here you want to type in what the video description is. So I'll put YouTube video. You can say see more in this video or however we want to. And again, if we want to, we just check quick preview. We scroll down and here is our YouTube video of them doing whatever they're going to do with their hot water heater. Okay, so we'll go back to content and we do have one less option, and this is a panel link. The panel link is, well, when you're in your iGuide tour, you're going to see a little tag. That little tag is just going to be a quick jump area to show off those important parts. So in order to create a panel link, here's what you need to do. The first thing is we're just going to hit apply. And if we just go over this real quickly, we can see all the information right here, what we have. Well, let's talk about this panel link. So the panel link, we're just going to line up our image there. We're going to hit this, the share button, right? Once we do that, we're going to make sure that it says start page default, use current 3D view. Okay. And then all we're going to do is just select this copy. Now it's copied. We're going to go ahead and exit out of this. We're going to go back into our editor with this little pencil icon. And it really doesn't matter where it goes. It's just going to put it at the bottom. We're just going to go ahead and select the panel link. I'm going to tell you the exact same thing. Using the share button, paste the URL to a 3D view below to create a button which will navigate there when pressed. Okay. So you go ahead and just click on this box, Control V. It's going to paste it, and then you're going to hit insert. So here, enter panel link button text here. So just highlight this. If you don't change that, that's what's going to be called in your 3D tour. So you want to make sure that you change this. So now that we have that, you're not going to be able to see it while you're editing, but you're going to see it when you save it and show the preview. So that is all the tools right here and how to use them. Something else is the options button. So we'll just go ahead and hit apply. Oops. So we'll go ahead and hit options. Here, you can do a couple of things. Number one, you can embed a URL. When you do this, it says that no other content will be displayed and should not be used for embedded videos. So just be careful if you use this because nothing else will be displayed. So for your tag hotspots, you have a couple different options. You have a transparent one or you have an opaque one. It's basically to your liking. You also have the tag colors. So for instance, your team has their team green. you can select green ones. You have the chance to make it more visible or more invisible through this little slider option. And then you have the stem height. So this one is kind of important to know. When you go positive, you're making it taller. And when you go negative, you're reversing that action. So for instance, we'll say we want this to hang a little low. So you'd use this on like a higher location. So say if you want to call out like the cabinets, you would want to do like a drop down. If we were going to show like the tile floors, you would do the opposite. That way people can easily see the stem. So for our case, we're just going to go over just a little bit or go down just a little bit. And then we'll just go ahead and push apply. And you can see right here, the tag has been dropped down. So once we've done that, we can hit save. Okay. So now that everything is saved, what we'll do is we'll go into the preview mode. So on the far left-hand side under the tag editor, you can hit the preview. And then once you're in the preview, you'll notice something. This is something that, you know, everybody who has that link will have. But you can see right here where you have a tag list. So if you have multiple tags, you'll have this little blue tag list that your viewers be able to see. They can click on this and it's going to show a list of all the tags. You can search by different colors. So say that, you know, you want this tag to be green or you want one to be blue. Right here, you can search by title, color, or content. Just because we have one, we're just going to do this one. So we are currently in the living room and the front room. But if your viewer clicks on this, it's going to teleport them right to the tag and open it up. So we can see we got a nice tag right here. They have a couple options. They can expand it if they would like. And so you got the new 40-gallon water heater. You got the Home Depot website. So if they select Home Depot website, okay, so I see the issue that we're having. The Home Depot website, we have this very beginning of the address repeated twice. So what we need to do is go ahead and delete the beginning of this address. That way it's only on there once. We'll go ahead and apply. And remember, make sure you hit save. And then we go back to preview. We'll click on a little blue thing. We'll hit water heater. And then here's the Home Depot website. And there it goes. It works. So now they can know exactly what unit they have. You can link to any website that you want. So that's going to do it for the tag editor. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to send me an email.